Hi and welcome. In this module, we will be discussing important things related to academics here at SFA. Let's talk about a couple of things that really matter. First, you are expected to participate in class. Participation may be included in your grade, so plan to ask questions or make comments throughout the lecture and discussion times. Be respectful in asking questions. For example, most professors will expect you to raise your hand when you want to ask a question or make a comment. Your expectations will be outlined in the syllabus. Think of your syllabus as your guide to the whole course. Keep it with you and read it carefully. A lot of your answers pertaining to the class will be in the syllabus. Go to class on time and notify your professor ahead of time if you will be absent. Grades are on a 4.0 scale GPA. A equals 4.0 is excellent, B equals 3.0 is good, C equals 2.0 is average, D equals 1.0 is poor, and F equals 0 is failing. All students are expected to do their own work. If you are caught cheating in any way, there will be consequences which could leave a bad mark on your academic record or worse. Here are some suggestions for doing your own work. Don't copy someone else's homework or test. Don't buy an essay from another student or from the internet. Don't copy work directly from the internet. If you do use someone else's work, give them credit, a citation that shows you are using words of another person. In order to be in good academic standing, you must maintain a minimum overall grade of 2.00 GPA for undergraduate and a 3.00 GPA for graduates. If your GPA falls below a 2.0 after your first regular semester, you will be placed on academic probation. Academic probation may continue until the student either returns to good standing or is placed on academic suspension. Students on academic probation whose semester GPA is 2.0 or higher will be allowed to continue on academic probation until the cumulative GPA is 2.0 or higher. This will vary with graduate programs. Graduate students and those with graduate assistantships should check with their academic program. Now, if your semester GPA falls below 2.0 while you're on academic probation, then you will be placed on academic suspension. You may be allowed to continue in the university through any of the following procedures: meet conditions established by the student's college dean, or be reinstated on academic probation automatically after one regular semester's absence from the university. Important: as an international student, if you are not enrolled in classes, you cannot stay in the U.S. You must go home or transfer to another university. If you choose to go home, you may need to apply for reinstatement of your student visa status. To help you stay in good academic standing, the library has over 130 computers for you to use, and you can reserve a group study room. The Steen Library is generally open from 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. Earlier closing times on Friday and Saturday. There is also the ARC Academic Assistance and Resource Center, which is a peer tutoring center. This service is a free service for all SFA students. They offer weekly tutoring, supplemental instruction, SI groups, jumpstart programs to get assessment with tutors to get a plan for yourself, and walk-in tables. Our Disability Services is committed to providing equal opportunities in higher education to academically qualified students with disabilities who demonstrate a reasonable expectation of college success. You must apply and provide documentation for these services. Academic services available include, but are not limited to, arranging for special testing accommodations, assistance in accessing adaptive computer equipment, and volunteer readers and note-takers. Please reach out if you have any questions. We can also connect you with our international student ambassadors for a personalized student-to-student help.